Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. English. Today, we're going to discuss about the subordinating conjunctions. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and understand how to use the subordinating conjunctions. Are you ready? What is subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction. It is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. What is dependent clause? How about independent clause? A dependent clause, also known as subordinate clause, does not express a complete thought on its own. It cannot stand as its own sentence. An independent clause, also known as main clause, the one that can stand on its own as a complete sentence. A dependent clause depends upon an independent clause to form a complete sentence. If independent and dependent clauses could be likened to Batman and Robin, the dependent or subordinate clause would be Robin, Batman's assistant. The independent or main clause would be Batman, his superhero boss. What are the subordinating conjunctions? Here are some of the common subordinating conjunctions. After, before, though, whenever, as if, as soon as though, although, even though, unless, whereas, once, whether, as much as, if, until, wherever, even if, than, in case, because, since, when, while, besides, as long as, so that. Example: if I fulfill my dreams, my life will be blessed. In this example, the subordinating conjunction if introduces the dependent clause I fulfill my dreams and joins to the independent clause my life will be blessed. Another example: my brother was so happy when I gave him my toy car. In this example, the subordinating conjunction when connects the dependent clause I gave him my toy car to the independent clause my brother was so happy. More examples. Since it's very hot outside, let's have some ice cream. Since is the subordinating conjunction. It's very hot outside is the dependent clause. And the independent clause, let's have some ice cream. She is staying because it's raining outside. Because is the subordinating conjunction that joins the dependent clause it's raining outside with the independent clause she is staying. I met them when we were in Singapore. The subordinating conjunction is when, joins by the dependent clause, we were in Singapore and I met them, the independent clause. Write the missing subordinating conjunction to complete the sentence. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Are you ready? Teacher Beth is happy. Blank, she won the grand prize. Teacher Beth is happy because she won the grand prize. Mother did the dishes. Blank, Mary wiped the plates. Mother did the dishes while Mary wiped the plates. Daniel has not seen his uncle. Blank, he was a teenager. Daniel has not seen his uncle since he was a teenager. Maria visits the Chocolate Hills. Blank, she goes to Bohol. Maria visits the Chocolate Hills whenever she goes to Bohol. This is the part we went to. Blank, we were in Davao last year. This is the part we went to when we were in Davao last year. I put away my toys. Blank, Mom returns from work. I put away my toys before Mom returns from work. Blank, Teacher Beth was sick. She went to work. Even though Teacher Beth was sick, she went to work.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.